Popcorn tell Skatta suck your mother. We are going to explain what suck your mother mean. The origins of the very Jamaican statement, go suck your mother. Here where it originates from, because it sounds away now. When you say suck and mother, you sound like you talk yes, don't it? When you say go suck, and it sound, yeah, say suck, it sound like you're going to say something sexual, and you talk about things like Skatta did do to Shana in them region of our body. But that's not where it come from. This suck your mother, that's not what it was meant to say. It doesn't mean go and do oral sex to your mother, guys. It sounds weird, right? When me even say that. What it means is, it started out as, I'm sure, very long time ago. Probably primary, like a bigger kid, a bigger boy, say an 18-year-old, would have said to a 6-year-old, say, suck on your mother, meaning on your mother breast. You're going to suck by your mother breast. Why? Because you're a child. You're so small, you're so young, you're so inconsequential in the fight, in the game, in the whatever it is. You're a baby. That's what it means. It means go and suckle on the nipple of your mom because you're a baby.